Assalamualaikum students. Today we will talk about year 2017 past paper second year accounting Board of Intermediate Education. We are learning the topic of non-profit organization. In this topic we will see how to prepare income expenditure account for a non-profit organization, which is also called non-trading organization. Let's start. On December 31, 2016, the Peshawar Zalmi provided following receipt and payment account during the year. This is their receipt and payment account. This receipt and payment account is the other name for cash book prepared by Peshawar Zalmi. So these are all the details regarding their cash receipts. Subscription income received is 10,000. Due to sale of refreshment, they had received 1600 rupees. And from the sale of match tickets they had earned 2000 rupees, received cash 2000 rupees. Now look at their payment side. They had purchased some refreshments for rupees 900. They had extended a portion of building by constructing it for rupees 5000. The salaries paid in cash are 4000. Purchase of sports equipment is for 7000 and interest paid on loan is rupees 300. Further information given to us is building has a value of 50,000 and is to be depreciated at the rate of 10% per annum. Per annum means annual. The building's value was 50,000 and they had constructed one more portion for 5,000. So altogether the value of building now is 55,000. So if you are supposed to calculate depreciation at the rate of 10%, 55,000 का 10% यानी multiply by 10 divided by 100 will give you the amount of depreciation expense. There was no beginning inventory of sports equipment. It means only the sports equipment which we had purchased is 7,000. At the end of the year it was valued at rupees 5,000. Why its value decreased? Because the depreciation on sports equipment is rupees 2,000. This further information will help us to record the expenditure side of this account. Income expenditure account means on one side we have to record the incomes for Peshawar Zalmi and on the other side we have to record their expenses. No stock of refreshment or snacks at the end of the year. So this purchase of refreshment should be considered as their expense because whatever they had spent on refreshment is consumed fully. No stock left, no asset form of refreshment is available with them. So let's begin with the preparation of income expenditure account. Click on the subscribe button if you are new on the channel. A lot of informational videos on second year accounting and course will be available on this channel. So click on the subscribe button. Let's see the calculation for depreciation expense. We had mentioned the cost of building, its extension amount, and all together the total cost of building is 55,000. When we apply rate of percentage, this is the depreciation expense which we have to record for the building. The depreciation expense for equipment is already given to us, that is 2,000. So let's see how to prepare the income expenditure account. On the left side we write incomes. Subscription is given in the receipt side of your receipt and payment account that you had received this 10,000 as your subscription income. Therefore, we will mention it in the income side. Due to sale of refreshment, we had earned 1600, that is also our income. Due to sale of tickets, we had earned 2000, this is also our income. All these three are mentioned on the receipt side of receipt and payment account. That is what we had seen already in the question. These three are received by us in the cash form and are considered as our incomes. Now when we look at the expenditure side, purchase of refreshment 900 because no inventory left is our expense. Salaries paid in the question, as we can see in the question, salaries paid is our expense. Interest paid on loan is our expense. Sports equipment is our asset, therefore it will not be written in the expenses side. Equipment खरीदा है हमने, asset है हमारा, fixed asset है, इसका सिर्फ depreciation जाएगा expenses में. Sports equipment itself will not go. अगर हमें बैलेंस शीट बनानी होती तो स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट की अमाउंट उसमें जाती. जिस तरह बिल्डिंग हमारा एसेट है, उसी तरह स्पोर्ट्स इक्विपमेंट भी हमारा एसेट है। परचेज ऑफ रिफ्रेशमेंट, क्योंकि कोई स्टॉक नहीं बचा तो टोटली एक्सपेंस कंसिडर होगा। सैलरीज एक्सपेंस है। इंटरेस्ट पेड ऑन लोन इज आर एक्सपेंस। डेप्रिसिएशन ऑन बिल्डिंग एंड ऑन इक्विपमेंट विल बी मेंशन्ड। इनकम्स का टोटल करें, एक्सपेंसेस का टोटल करें, इनकम्स में से एक्सपेंसेस को माइनस करें। द डिफरेंस इज 900 रुपीज विच इज आर surplus. So because incomes are greater, we have a surplus over expenditure, that is considered our income, or you can say the profit. We don't use the word profit because it is non-profit organization topic. Therefore this income over expenditure will be considered as our surplus. अगर सपोज एक्सपेंसेस का टोटल ग्रेटर होता, इनकम्स कम होती, तो डेफिसिट यहाँ आता। इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट है, रूल ऑफ कर दें, कंप्लीट कर दें इसे, डबल लाइन से रूल ऑफ कर दें, एंड दिस इज हाउ आवर इनकम एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट विल बी कंप्लीट। क्लिक ऑन द सब्सक्राइब बटन, कीप वॉचिंग commerce lecture online, like the video, share it with your friends, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.